In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi is not showing up on Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and search for services and open it. Here you have to find WLAN Auto Config. So scroll down and select WLAN Auto Config and double click on it. Here in startup type, click on this option sign and select automatic. Then in service status, make sure your service status is running. If it stopped, then click on start. After its completion, click on close. Click apply and then click OK. After this, right click on WLAN Auto Config and click on restart. Now repeat the same process with WAN Auto Config. For this, find WAN Auto Config and double click on it. Here in startup type, click on option sign and then select automatic. Make sure your service status is running. If it's not, then click on start, click apply and then OK. After this, right click on WAN Auto Config and click on restart. Then close this window and from your desktop, click on search and search for device manager and open it. Here select network adapter and look for its option. You need to find Wi-Fi and right click on it. Select disable driver and click yes. After this, again right click on Wi-Fi and select enable and close it. Now check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the second method. From your desktop, click on search and search for settings and open it. Here from the left side, click on network and internet, and in network and internet settings, click on advanced network settings and click on network reset, then click on reset now, then click on yes. After this, restart your device. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi is not showing up on Windows 11 in just few easy steps.